What's up, online shoppers? The season of peace is over and the mosquitoes and the biting insects have come out with a fury. And so I've been looking for things that I could have in my pocket, just tucked away conveniently, just in case we end up in a place where the bugs are really intense. And I found these really cool things. These are the Mosquito Guard Repellent patches, and it doesn't involve spraying anything on you. All it is putting a sticker on your shirt, on the back of your hand, on your neck, on the brim of your hat. All those things, super convenient and easy to apply. So let's open up the package and see what they look like. Now, here's a list of all the ingredients. It's got Citronella, lemongrass, peppermint, and geraniol in it. And here's a little bit more about it. You get 84 patches in this package. It is this, and most importantly, it is this, which means you're not putting that on your skin. And it's great for so many different activities. Take a look at that. Now, when you open up the package, it comes in a resealable package, which is really cool because they say that when you're not using these, you should make sure the package is sealed to keep everything intense or as fresh as possible. Now, I have used these before. This is my second package, and they actually smell really good. It's this really nice, fresh smell. You get all of these little sheets with 6 of these stickers per sheet. It feels fuzzy, like almost like cloth-like, and the more you rub them, the more intense the smell is. And that's all of those plant oils that they use. So all you have to do is just take one of these stickers off like this and put it on your skin, on your shirt. I actually love putting these on the brim of my hat because I find that it does a great job of keeping the bugs away from my eyes. And I don't mind the smell of it. It's actually really fresh. It reminds me of being out in the garden. It's that nice like green smell, and I really like that. So you're putting this sticker on your shirt, on your skin, but you're not specifically applying and rubbing something into your skin, which I think is a positive. The other thing that's great is that you can use these with your kids and not worry that they're going to, lick it off or do something crazy like that. These stickers do stick really well. So as soon as you put it on, then it's there. The kids forget it's there, but it just does that really nice job. And it smells fantastic and fresh in the process. I also like that these are a one-size-fits-all kind of a deal, which means you can use them for kids, you can use them for grown-ups. Heck, you can even put these on the back of your animal tags, like your cat's tag on its collar or on your dog, and then you've got this really nice fresh smell that helps to repel the bugs, and I think that is other awesome application for this. This is certainly not the first package of these that I've bought. I've definitely bought more than one, and I think that they are an awesome product, super convenient. You can actually put one of these in one of those little snack-sized Ziploc bags and put it in your purse and even in your wallet. Like, it's just a sheet of paper, and then you'll never get caught without having your little bug repellent stickers. The convenience of them, the fact that they come in this really nice resealable bag means you can just slide them back in, give the bag a good seal. And if you don't use them all right away, the freshness stays in the bag when it's well sealed, and you're good for the next time you need them. As well, I love the fact that they're completely portable and you can put them in your beach bag, always have them there, never get caught without them. So if you're looking for a great idea to help keep those biting insects away, these Mosquito Guard Repellent patches are fantastic. They smell great, they have all kinds of benefits, and definitely they are a family favorite at my house.